Okay, so graceful aging. I will go through only a couple of slides because we don't have that much of time. But that's why we all are here today. The external application for overall health in general. Abhyanga, it's the self massage that Ayurveda always talks about. Is the self massage with the particular oil according to your body type, and it is important because again, it's the self care, like a touch that I spoke about, the importance of touch, and for yourself too. Um, Gershon is the exfoliation because you need to take off the dead skin for the rejuvenation of the skin. It's important as you grow. Soothing or healing for the skin. If the skin is more irritable, reddish, or dry, the lepen, that means the pack, like we use a face pack for the face, right? So it's important to use the skin healing packs. Herbal oils for the enhancement, that's always said in Ayurveda, and proven very effective. Panchakarma is the cleansing for rejuvenation, and these are the beautiful images. I always like to do that. Visual is better, right? Mm-hmm. Beautiful images. Shirodhara is any mind related illnesses or migraine. This is very effective treatment, strength, or just as a spa or rejuvenation. The reflexology in Ayurveda, it's important for the stress release, or any Vata personality person who has Vata activated, it suppresses Vata as well, with the massage and warm massage and Shirodhara, the oil drip, all different kinds of massages. Neti is becoming very popular nowadays because people with the sinus problems, what you do, antibiotic after antibiotic. Now the ENT doctors are recommending Neti, that's the cleansing of the nasal path. And that was the Ayurvedic daily routine practice. Nowadays, even I don't do that much, but that was the regular practice or the seasonal practice to cleanse the nasal path. Simple cleansing. The same way, when we were talking about the nasal cleansing, Neti, there are other cleansing procedures too in Ayurveda. Just as pouring the oil in your ear. According to Ayurveda, that's important too. When you have aggravated Vata, that helps because that suppresses Vata in your body. As we get older, our eyes tend to dry, more dryness in the eye, hair dry, more dryness in the ear, and we lose a little bit of the hearing capacity as well when we get older. And to enhance that, to rejuvenate with that, the Ayurveda recommends the pouring oil in the ear, in the nose.
What kind of oil?
Again, it's according to your dosha. Okay, and then there are a lot of herbs and therapies recommended according to your body type. I'm not going to go that. I'm just going to the slide here that I want to show you. Okay. So we spoke about the lifestyle management in Ayurveda. But for aging, graceful aging, there are so many other things are equally important, not just the diet and lifestyle. Then with nature, yes, we spoke about it, but the dental wellness, ear and eye care, nose care, that is important as well in day-to-day practice for growing. Oil pulling is recommended, and tongue cleaning in Ayurveda. I don't know if you heard of that. And nowadays, dentists are recommending that oil pulling with the coconut oil to strengthen your gums and the enamel, to keep the enamel intact. Herbal toothpaste to use because we use the chemicals and that go inside the body as well. Neti and some of these things I have on the display. I have more elaborated on the boards there. Oil massage for eyes and oil pouring is very important for the dry eyes, because how many trips you make to go to the eye specialist in your life just for the dry eyes. If you try this and tell me, maybe email me after a month. Really, that works. Hair massage for blood circulation and to slow the graying process. Many different types of oils are used in this process because our hair tend to dry too as we grow older. Not older, as we grow on day-to-day basis. And some environmental factors are there too. It's not just our body, because if you work in the chemical industry, you will have different imbalances just because the environment, the work environment that bothers too, and the region that you live. We live in northeast, so it's always cold and dry. Oil pouring in the ear for improving the hearing process. I mentioned that. So, any question? This is my prescription. Do you like that? This is my prescription. Just tell me after a month how you do. Yoga, pranayama, meditation, and Ayurveda's lifestyle management, and don't see me until you need help. Take a picture of this. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so these are the herbs for graceful aging, because these work for longevity. The herbs in Ayurveda not symptomatic, but there are some general herbs that you can use to increase the immunity and for rejuvenation. Ashwagandha is one of them. Nowadays, I think the naturopath doctors are also using Triphala and Ashwagandha. You might have seen that, but where that came from, that is Ayurvedic theory. Turmeric. Now kind of world is using turmeric. Where that came from? And the ginger for inflammation. Use it and tell me after a month.